Rajasthan. Let me tell you few things about Rajasthan. Look this is the Hawa Mahal, the most famous place in Jaipur. Sia, do you know anything about the puppetry dance?
Yes, Rajasthan is well known for its Kathpoti dance and the old tradition of stories from mythology, legends, are told through puppets in Rajasthan.
Oh, that's nice. Come, let's witness a famous Kathputli dance.
पूजा करवा प्रभुनी रे सखियों साथे सौआवी पूजा करवा प्रभुनी रे केसरिया रे केसरिया केसरिया रे केसरिया तारा गीतों गाऊं मन मंदिर पधराऊं तारा गीतों गाऊं मन मंदिर पधराऊं तारा मुखड़ा परवारी जाऊं तारा मुखड़ा परवारी जाऊं केसरिया रे केसरिया केसरिया रे केसरिया जड़ काड़ा शभराऊं स्नात्र विधिये कराऊं जड़ काड़ा शभराऊं स्नात्र विधिये कराऊं मारा अंतर ना मेल दोवराऊं मुकड़ा परवारी जाऊं तारा मुकड़ा परवारी जाऊं केसरिया रे केसरिया केसरिया रे केसरिया
Wow, it was an amazing performance.
Yes, Sia. Yes, you're right. All of you look at this. This is a Amber Fort. Come, let's go see. Now it's time to see an authentic Rajasthani folk dance. Let's sit and enjoy it. All of us individually told what the meaning of Anand. But what do you think is Anand for all of us as a family?
Festivals! Yes, we all love to celebrate Holi. It's so much fun playing with colors. Yes, I agree. I also love it. Yes, it is one of my favorite festivals too.
I also like Dhanasra in Kolkata. Anyway, we are going to go soon to celebrate Dhanasra with your grandparents.
Yay! Yay! See, this is Anand. Happiness, what you both are feeling now.
Now go and rest.
Wow, that was an amazing show. Wasn't it, Abhimanyu?
Yes, Arya. Was indeed an amazing show. Did you see how happiness and honor comes to different people in different forms?
Money, big house, big car, or eating in fancy restaurants does not give happiness. Happiness also comes in being together with the people who mean a lot to us.
You're right. Happiness is being part of our family and sharing and caring for each other.
Please give a huge round of applause. For all my dear friends and teachers.
Thank you.
Now I request Shada ma'am to address the audience.
Respected grandparents, darling parents, teachers and students, a very warm good morning to all of you. I think you all found a true happiness today. That's what the theme was about. Before I say anything, can we have another round of applause for all these darling students? Thank you very much. Some 30 years ago, I was a primary teacher also. I used to teach social studies to 4th, 5th standards apart from other classes. Social studies is very favorite to me, my passionate subject it is. And especially in MA, Constitutional History of India was my special paper. So when I was teaching this 4th standard, the Indian independence struggle, I taught them so well, I thought, with all the emotions. Every teacher finished the chapter in 4 days, but I took it for 15 days. I went with every detail. And I also taught them how India got parted. We became Pakistan, India, with a lot of emotions. I was a young girl. 30 years ago, I was 26. So I was very proud that I did a very good job. I patted myself. I said, wow, Sharda, what a job you have done. Went back home. Next day, came back to school. And in the class, there were a group of boys beating one small boy called Ali and telling him, I realized what a great mistake I have done. I transformed all my emotions into the class, my own personal prejudices to the class, my own personal feelings to this 25 of young minds. I had to undo quite a lot of things. I learned a lesson for life. My emotions, my prejudices, everything should be with me. It should not be transformed to anybody else. Dear parents, recently we had one panel discussion, one conference for all the principals. Once again, this particular statement was reinstated by somebody else. Then I thought how true it is. She said, when we talk about safety and security of the children, we are actually transforming our fears into them, our own insecurities in them. Then I thought how true, because when the child is jumping, even just 2 dances before, the child was at the edge and all of us seated in the front and the back and everywhere, we were also on the edge. We were almost, all of us were ready to catch the child. The child knew all of us are here to hold the child. And we don't have that. We have the fear. We transform every single fear of us into them. And when we transform this fear, then the child will get into the fear factor. Otherwise, no. Few years ago, when this big issue of safety and security came, our secretary told only one thing. Fill the school with cameras, put in your security systems, do anything. But I don't want a single child to feel imprisoned. I do not want a single child to feel that they have been observed. I do not want a single child to feel caged. Whatever you do, it should be to you and not to the children. Yeah, we are trying to do that. But then I thought I should share it with all of you. You are all as old as my son. I know I would have transformed as a young mother into my son quite a lot of fears, which he is ready to transform or he is transferring to his son. But at one moment, let us all take a step behind and think, exactly this is what I'll tell my child. But always tell my child, I am there, so don't get scared. There is nothing to get scared of because we are always there to protect you. Then the happiness continues, the innocence continues, and the beauty continues. We don't need to look for happiness anywhere except in the smile of this little toddler who has danced here. The little toddler who is actually prancing all over your home and all over the school, giving us the same innocent smile. If we allow the innocence to continue, and if we allow this fearlessness to continue, we will have our own fears. We will protect them, but we will not transfer our insecurities in them so that they will grow with the same innocence, with the same happiness, and spreading the happiness happens. We will all be tight. We will all be holding everything, and we will enjoy this innocence and this happiness so that one fine day we will have a very happy world. Can it happen? Let's work together to make this happen so that this innocence continues, this childhood continues, and the happiness continues. May all of you have a very happy world ahead of you. Thank you very much for listening.
We will see some great moves and hear some melodious voice of our parents along with their kids. These parents were the winner of Family Sports Activity conducted on 24th of Jan for KG1. I request the parent of Aryan Nair, one of the parent of Aryan Nair, Mehboob Sahana, Sanvi Pathak, S.I. Vaishnavi, and Hansita C.H. to please come forward and stand near the stage. Until the parents are coming, I'll quickly introduce you to all the judges of this activity. We have some grandparents. Mrs. Indrani, please give a huge round of applause. Mr. K.K. Kamath. Sorry, ma'am.
Yashoda.
Mrs. Yashoda, please give a huge round of applause for the judges. So parents, are you ready? I can see only Aryan's father here. You can please come forward and stand near the stage. Near the stage. Ma'am. So we'll start the family activity. The first child is Aryan Nair from KG1 Daisy. I request the father of Aryan Nair. So before we start, I'll quickly tell all the parents what are the parameters on which you will be judged. The parameters will be rhythm, coordination, presentation, and creativity. And the winners of these parents will definitely get some gifts. So all the parents, all the best. and definitely you have to perform. Okay. So, okay, are we ready? Sir, are you ready? Aryan, are you ready? Music, please. Oops, time up. Wow, what a performance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aryan. Please, sir, be on the stage. You can come this side, sir. So once again, I'll just remind the parents the time limit is 1.5 minutes. So the second parent, are you ready? The parent of Mehboob Sahana from KG1, Lily. I request the parents to be on the stage.
அப்பனுக்கு ஆஸ்தியும் நான் தானே ஆசையா வந்து பிறந்தேனே வானத்தில் பட்டமாய் ஒசரக்க பறந்தேனே எனக்கு இருக்கும் கனவு எல்லாமே இணையத்தில் சொல்லி வைப்பேனே.
Thank you. Wow, it was really melodious. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sahana. You can please stand aside.
Hope everybody enjoy our stand-up comedy.
Now I request Sanvi and her parents to be on the stage. So here is Sanvi Pathak from KG1 Rose and her mother Shweta. Can we have the music, please? Thank you. Wow. Your daughter is indeed looking like a Barbie doll. Now I request S.I.'s Vaishnavi from KG1 Tulip and her mother Ashwarya to be on the stage. I request the parent to please stand at the center of the stage so that everyone can see. Ma'am, little more. Ma'am, little more. You also come. Can we have the music, please? Wow, it was from where the Sanvi has learned the moves. Ma'am, you can please stand. Now I request Hansita from KG1 Sunflower and her mother to be on the stage. Ma'am, you can come on the center, at the center of the stage. Can we have the music, please? Time up, but it was really a beautiful dance. Thank you so much all the parents. Now I request the judges, we are waiting for your scores. Okay, by the time judges are taking time to give the marks, I think really they are confused and they are really stressed that how much marks to give. I request if few parents who all are requested to come on the stage and dance, they can please join us on the stage. Parents, please. Parents.
Yeah, all the parents. I think we can take your own song. Please. गलती से mistake कर लेंगे आ जाइए. Yeah. Yes, please. This is the happy note. All those who want to shake your leg or who do not want to shake your leg also come. Please come. Yes, please feel free. Are you all ready? Yeah. Don't feel shy. Before I come and pull you all onto the dais, you all can come. Yes, ma'am, please come. Come. Yeah. Feel free to come. Yes. Anybody? Yeah.
The parents of Shaurya, Ishanvi's mother, please come, ma'am, please. There is no excuse, please come. Fast. Tanushka's mom, ma'am, please. Vaishnavi's, Kavinya's parents, Amulya's parents, please come, ma'am, please. Yes, please, ma'am. Can we have the music? Much. So here we are, ready with our results. All the parents they performed really well. Please give a huge round of applause. They have put a lot of efforts. So before we announce who are the finalists or who are the winners, I request Nandini ma'am to be on the stage. So there is no first, second, third, as all the parents have performed equally well. But yes, definitely there were few who had more coordination, rhythm and creativity. So based on that, there will be 3 winners. So before that, I request the judges also to please join on the stage to give away the prizes. Please give a huge round of applause for our judges. They had really tough time. The winners of today's family activity is first Aryan Nair. S.I. Vaishnavi, please keep applauding for them. And Hansita C.H. from KG1 Sunflower. The parent of Mehboob Sana and Sanvi Pathak need not to be disappointed. We also have a special gift for you. The parent of Mehboob Sana, can we have on the stage? and Sanvi Pathak as well. Please give a huge round of applause for them as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents. Now I request Ishanvi. Now I request Ishanvi to propose vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of everyone in GT, I, Shanvi, take this opportunity to thank each one of you present here today. I thank all the dear parents, our HMB ma'am, our loving and encouraging teachers and all our dear friends who have put in a lot of effort to make this even a great success. Such a mega event would not have been possible without the help and support from the admin and the support staff. Hence, I sincerely thank each one of them. Now I request you all to raise for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, Ishanvi. Thank you, parents, for really taking out time and making for this day. I request the parents to collect the students from their respective classes, and we also request you to vacate the premise as fast as you can, because the nursery parents are waiting to come inside. Thank you.